And I think this is interesting what you mentioned here, right? Because if you think about this, right? Of course, for some simple application, you start with that becomes very easy, right? But if you look at a long period of time, then things change. Application gets more and more features, right? And that often becomes, it was very easy to create, but that was hard to maintain, right? With that, we can have this like a little maybe quote about a schema-less databases, like a document databases like MongoDB. You can say, hey guys, it's wonderful. You don't need to have a schema, right? Look at that. You can just put wherever it is in your database. But then they come over a point where that does not really work over a long time. You need to have a rules. Otherwise, it becomes mess. Again, if you just want to prototype a demo, launch something over your weekend, fantastic. It makes it easy, right? And then it came to another definition, right? We're saying, you know what, guys? Actually, there is always a schema. You just have to choose if that schema going to be in the database and if or a schema going to be in application. And in many cases, when you have a database which is utilized by multiple applications, it's much better to have that schema in a database, because otherwise those all the different applications will start to disagree about what the schema actually is, what versions of a schema should be supported and stuff like that.
Agreed.